I'm just priming my lids, and I could just use an eye primer, but I personally, there aren't too many eye primers that I actually like. The way I like to prime my lids is putting down a little bit of concealer. That lightens them for me because I have naturally dark lids. Using a new palette that we just got. This is the Hipdot Cenote Pressed Eyeshadow Palette. This is what she looks like. I showed you guys this in my, what do you call that? What did I just do? A haul. Just showed you guys this in my haul. I already know she's getting used, this blue and this brown. Don't know what else from here is getting used, but those two are in rotation. Right with the rhinestones that I put on my little suds hoops. If you're not already following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me. If you are new to putting lashes on like me, make sure you go watch my video on how I do that. It's very beginner friendly. I am a beginner at putting these lashes on. These lashes are scaring me right now, but they look good with the eyes. So that's all. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.